solving linear equation in one variable using multi-step equation. Pag sinabi natin anak, multi-step equation, hindi lang one property. Hindi lang two properties. So meaning more than two properties. Pwedeng three or more. Okay, example number 1. So 2 multiplied by x minus 8 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3x plus 4. So we're going to do step 1, apply distributive property. Naalala nyo yung topic natin nung first quarter? Yung smile-smile? Okay, i-distribute natin anak yung constant sa given na binomial. At ganun din po dito. Okay, step 1, so multiply 2 by x. So 2 times x. Ito na po yun. And then same pa rin, 2 times negative 8, negative 16. Ganun din po dito. 2 times 3x, 6x. And 2 times 4, 8. So after that, we need to apply na the property of equality. Kailangan sa left side, ano matitira? Yung x. Eh, meron pang x dito. So what we're going to do, kailangan si 6 anak ma-eliminate siya sa right side. At si 16, kailangan ma-eliminate dito. So focus muna tayo anak kay 16. How to eliminate 16? Negative 16 here. Get the additive inverse. What is the additive inverse of negative 16? Positive 16. Mag-add tayo ng 16. Dito parehas. Dito at dito rin. So dito naman, para matanggal anak si 6x, get the additive inverse of 6x. What is the additive inverse of 6x? Negative 6x. So mag-subtract naman tayo parehas ng negative 6. So dito, tanggal na si 16. Dito naman, may eliminate si 6x. Anong ginawa sa process natin? Nag-add tayo at nag-subtract. Kaya pasok po ang addition and subtraction property of equality. So ano na lang po natira sa left side anak? 2x at negative 6x. Iko-combine na natin yan dito. So 2x minus 6x negative 4x. And 8 plus 16. 24. Then after that, what is the last step? Divide both side by what? 4. What is the sign of 4? Negative 4, anak. Kung anong sign ng numerical coefficient, i-adapt po yun. So, pasok po ang division property of equality. Divide na natin. Negative divided by negative. Positive. So, 4 divided by 4, 1, or just simply cancel. Anong natira? X. And then, 24 divided by negative 4, negative 6. So, therefore, ito na po yung value ng ating X. Ilang property yung na-apply natin? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, more than 2. Multi-step na po yan. That is the proper way how to get the value of X using the property of equality. So, this time, gamitin natin si transposition method. Okay. Same tayo ng given. 2 times x minus 8 is equal to 2 times 3x plus 4. Step 1 ko, anong ginawa dito? Ganun din yung gagawin sa transposition method. First, we need to distribute the given constant by the binomial. 2 times x, 2x. 2 times negative 8, negative 16. 2 times 3x, 6x. 2 times 4, 8. Then after that, dito na magpo-proceed yung transposition. Okay, combine similar terms. What are similar terms? 2x and 6x. Ma'am, bakit naging similar terms? Kasi po sila yung term na may parehas na variable at the same time, parehas yung exponent nila. So what we're going to do, sino ililipat natin? Saan po ba yung variable? Sa left o sa right? Sa left, meaning si 2x, stay siya dyan. Ano ang ililipat sa left? Si 6x. What will be the sign now of 6x? Magiging negative na po siya. And then, ito pang si 8, ililipat ko rin po. No, kasi constant siya, bring down lang yan. Ano pa po yung ililipat sa right side? Si negative 16, magiging positive 16 na po yan. Then after that, na-combine na natin yung similar terms, proceed na tayo to finding the answer na. 2 minus 6, negative 4, then copy the variable x. 8 plus 16, 24. Then last step, divide both side by negative 4. Cancel. X is equal to negative 6. Equal ba yung nakuha natin? Ang tanong, saan po kayo mas nadadalian? Dito po. Pero kung ito yung gagamitin nyo, okay lang din. Ang mahalaga anak, alam nyo yung tawag sa mga property na ina-apply natin.